Welcome to OBDSync. I'm Jason, and in today's episode we're going through how to replace an engine control module in our Holden VZ V6 Commodore. So first off, I'm going to click the vehicle button, we're going to go to the engine control module tile, and we're going to load up into this screen here. We'll go ahead, click that flashing tab along the top. This is going to show the files that need to be flashed into the engine computer for that vehicle, and adds up a highlighter just there. Make sure you've got a battery maintainer on before you start this flashing. When you click the right button, it will have this pop-up indicating that it will put factory files into this engine computer, and that's only important for people that have a custom tuned car, as it will wipe that and put the factory tune in. Once you click OK to proceed, it will then download the required calibration files for that car and then begin the flashing procedure. For this instance, it is going to be quite quick, as it only needs to program the engine calibration. It's the only one that's different, so this will be done within about 30 seconds. Whereas if you are having to do the operating system, engine calibration and slave calibration, this can take several minutes, which is why it's really important to have that battery maintainer or battery charger fitted while doing these flashing operations to ensure nothing goes wrong. So this is just finishing up here. We'll do its last few seconds of finalizing the flash routine, and once that's done, we'll have a little pop-up indicating it's all good to go, and we can do an ignition cycle and clear faults. And that's that pop-up. So before we actually do our ignition cycle and clearing faults, which you can do if you'd like, we're just going to skip that step here and go to our reset and security link. So go ahead, click go. This is then going to ask for our immobilizer code. This is the 4-digit code unique to that exact vehicle. You must put the correct code in for that car, otherwise this can cause problems and it will not work. So for this car, it was actually 4 3s. I'm going to go ahead and click proceed. And that's it done. We're now security linked to the car. Our final step of this, we must turn the ignition off and then turn the ignition back on after about 30 seconds. So we're going to wait roughly sort of 20-30 seconds here. Once the ignition's back on, we'll wait another about 10 seconds before we then do our VIN security link. So at this point, we're just about to turn the ignition back on, and then we'll hover over our VIN security link and wait 10 seconds before we start doing that part. The whole point of waiting 10 seconds before we click the VIN security link is just to allow the engine computer to wake up, be ready to go, so everything's all set up, and then it will actually work. So we've just clicked that now. We'll then perform the task, and that will be now finished. That's the VIN security link and also fully immobilized security linked and all sorted. You can go to the DTCs and read and clear faults if you'd like. Otherwise, that's it all completed. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Otherwise, we'll see you next time.